Let's look at what the Hindu National is reporting today. Karnataka Assembly congratulates recipients of Padma Award. To summarize, here is what this means. The Karnataka Legislative Assembly congratulated recipients of the Padma Award from the state for this year. Recipients were Shatavadhani R. Ganesh, Prabhakar B. Kaur, Amka Gowda M. Suresh Hanajavdi, S. G. Sushilamma, Shubha Iyengar, Shashi Shekhar Vempati, and T. T. Jagannathan. On January 27, SP. Let's look at what the Hindu National is reporting today. Indigo extends cancellation of flights to Tbilisi, Almaty till February 11. Let's break down the key takeaways. Indigo on Tuesday, January 27, 2026, extended the cancellation of flights to Tbilisi, Almaty, Baku and Tashkent till February 11 due to the prevailing situation in Iran. Earlier, flights to these cities were cancelled till January 28. The airline said that taking into account the developments around. Here is a crucial story covered by Indian Express. Gold today rate. January 28, check 18. 22 and 24 carat gold prices Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata and other cities. Here is the gist of the story. Gold price today in India. Check the gold rate in India today. January 28. Carat wise and city wise price list below. File image. Gold rate today. In January 2026. Gold prices in India hit an all-time peak, continuing their significant rise by almost 20%. Following an increase in prices are. Here is a crucial story covered by Indian Express. Parliament Budget Session 2026 live updates. President Murmu to address joint sitting of both houses. Eyes on economic survey tomorrow. To summarize, here is what this means. January 28, 2026 9:40 AM IST Parliament Budget Session 2026 live updates. The customary halwa ceremony marks final stage of budget preparation. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Tuesday participated in a traditional halwa ceremony, marking the final stage for the preparation of the Union budget. Next up, we have a significant development from Live Mint. Econ. Stocks to buy. Sagar Doshi suggests HCL Tech. Nestle India. NTPC shares to buy. To summarize, here is what this means. Stock market today. Domestic equity markets began on a strong note on Wednesday, with the automotive sector taking center stage amid notable trade outcomes. As of 9:15 IST, the Nifty 50 increased by 0.33% to reach 25,258.85, while the BSE Sensex saw a marginal gain of 0.04%, rising to 81,892.36. Oh, here is a crucial story covered by Live Mint. Econ. BEL Q3 results 2026 live. PSU Defence stock jumps 2%. What to expect from Bharat Electronics in DEC quarter? Let's break down the key takeaways. BEL Q3 results 2026 live. Navratna PSU Bharat Electronics, BEL, is expected to post a strong growth for the third quarter of the ongoing fiscal year on the back of strong order inflows. BEL Q3 results are slated to be announced on January 28. We wish to inform that a meeting of the Board of Directors. Alright, time for a quick revision. Can you answer this question?